So we are given an function like f of x equal to 2 to the power x. Then we need to find the sum of this term from 1 to 2025. So if we plug this sum of these values of 1 to 3 in this function, we'll get f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 2 square, f of 3 will be cube. Now if we divide f2 by f1, what will we get? It will be 2 square by 2 1, so it will be 2, and f3 by f2, it will be 2 cube by 2 square equal to 2. That means this term is geometric series, and for geometric series, if we want to find the sum, we have an equation, and this is finite series. It's not infinite, it's finite series. So there is equation is Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, and a is the first term, that is f1, so f1 is 2 to the power 1, and r is the ratio, that's 2, n is the total terms, that's 2025, because from 1 to 2025 there is 2025 term, so it will be 2025 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, so it will be 2 into 2 to the power 2025 minus 1, and this is our answer.